Namaste friends, welcome to Learn with Jay, empowered by Magic Needles. This day I am here with a beautiful pattern which is developed using the cluster spikes and post stitches. Okay, and this is titled bamboo pattern because you have the bamboo tree like structures in the pattern. I worked this pattern and this piece with Hobby Store Aran 100% acrylic anti-pill yarn, which is a 5-ply yarn, and I've used my 5 mm clover crochet hook, and this is approximately a 8-inch square that I have done. This can be developed into any length and any width. Okay, as I told you before, it's a multiple of 5 plus 4 stitches. Okay, we need to have multiples of 5 plus 4 stitches to work this particular pattern. Let's go into the video without much delay. Chain 31. Chain 31. Now place a DC in the 4th chain from the hook. And 1 DC in each chain across. So totally we need to have 29 double crochets. Turn your work. You either chain 3 and begin the first DC, or make a standing double crochet and 1 double crochet in each of the next 3 double crochets. Sorry. And 1 back post double crochet in the next double crochet. 1 double crochet in each of the next 4 double crochets, 1 back post in the 5th. So every 5th stitch is going to have a back post double crochet. I shall work one more set. This pattern requires a multiples of 5 plus 4 stitches. So continue till the end. I have completed row 2. Now for row 3, you can turn your work and directly place a double crochet in the very first double crochet, standing twisted double crochet. Else you can chain 2 and place your first double crochet. Chain 2 is not considered as a stitch. So we make 4 double crochets, and instead of back post double crochet we're going to make front post double crochet around this post. So this is the stitch repeat for this particular row. One, 2, 3, 4, and a front post. So I shall meet you at the end of this row. We have completed row 3 now. Row 4 and row 5 are same as rows 2 and 3. For row 4, repeat row 2. For row 5, repeat row 3. So complete rows 4 and 5. I shall also complete. Row 4 will have back post double crochets, and row 5 will have front post double crochets. Completed row 5, so we have placed the post stitches here. Now for rows 6, 7 and 8 are simple single crochet rows, so you can chain 1, turn and place 1 single crochet in each of the stitches all across. So complete rows 6, 7 and 8. So complete single crochet rows. Ensure that there are 29 stitches. Okay, simple single crochet rows. because in the 9th row we are going to make spike cluster. Completed row 8, turn, chain 1 and turn. It's not counted as a stitch. 1 single crochet each in each of the next 4, starting from the first one. Now it's time to make the spike cluster. Spike cluster is worked in a row below on the right, 2 stitches to right, 2 rows below to 1 stitch to the right, and 3 rows below the same stitch, and again 2 rows below 1 stitch to the left, 1 row below to the left of the stitch. So let's begin. This is the stitch. So 1 and 2. So here we take up our first spike, pull up to the height of the stitch, and next this row. So 1 and 2, pick up, pull it to the height of the cluster. Next 3 rows below, hold this, insert, hold it. Now 2 rows below, pull up the loop. Now 1 row below, 2 stitches to the right. Now it's time to insert a hook into the stitch if we would have worked ordinarily here, and pick up the yarn and pull through all the loops on the hook. So spike cluster is done. Now place 1 single crochet in each of the next 4 stitches. It's time to work the cluster, spike cluster. So this is the stitch 1 and 2. So 1 row below. This is a stitch, 1 stitch, 2 rows below. And below the stitch, 3 rows below. Now 1 stitch to left, two rows below, two stitches to the left, 1 row below. So now you have 6 loops on the hook. Now insert in the single crochet we would have worked, yarn over and pull through all the loops. So cluster spike is done. So similarly continue the stitch pattern till the end. 4 single crochets, 1 spike cluster, 4 single crochets, 1 spike cluster, 4 singles, 1 spike cluster, and continue and end the row. Completed row 9 here. After row 9 it looks like this. After this you need to follow these instructions. Pause your video and follow these instructions. Row 10 is same as row 1, row 11 is same as row 3, row 12, 13, 14 same as row 6, which is SC row, row 15 is again the spike row, row 16 to 21 repeat rows 10 to 15. So row 22 is 1 and row 23 is 6. Complete rows 23. I shall also complete and get back. I have completed up to 23 rows, and this is how the pattern appears. And this is bamboo pattern square. So there are many stitches with the name bamboo in crochet. So this is a pattern which looks like bamboo trees, hence it is titled as bamboo. Thank you friends for watching this video. Hope you like this pattern and use it in your projects. It is a close-knit project, at the same time it is little light and it has a textured stitch on top. It will be great for your several projects. So if you happen to be the first time you are for our channel, please do subscribe to our channel and do not forget to click on the bell icon so that you are notified of the videos that we upload every other day. Further, do please like and share. I shall be back with yet another pattern in the next video. Bye for now. Have a great day.